The banking sector is facing a dual competition. On one hand, there's a race to provide the best quality and personalized customer service. On the other hand, there's a need to optimize cost base, especially with the emergence of neobanks. More than just a curiosity, generative AI or Gen AI promises to be a lever of differentiation and efficiency for banks if used wisely and securely. The models already demonstrate their ability to query, optimize, and create text, code, data, images, and sound from a massive and varied content. The applications allow the user to simply calibrate the work, choose between precision and freedom without the need to code. Our discussions and experiments with our banking clients show opportunities for value creation for many functions. In marketing, Gen AI can support salespeople during their interactions with dedicated scripts, relevant product suggestions, effective sales arguments, and simple language elements on conditions. It can create targeted campaigns efficiently by channel, product, audience, or geography with varied angles. It can also more easily improve SEO and the navigability of the different sites of a banking group, allowing the user to ask their questions. Gen AI can improve the customer experience by making it simpler and more personalized, while increasing the quality and responsiveness of the service. By combining the capabilities of Gen AI in natural language iteration and its potential for learning rules and documents, the bank can accompany agents and customers in administrative processes such as onboarding and KYC, and automate the management of simple requests like the loss of a card, reaching a spending limit, or unexpected fees. It also offers the possibility to notify the customer on the topics and with the angle of their choice, for example on their consumption or the evolution of their savings. The IT activities also show high potential value deposits. As true assistants, the Gen AI copilots already demonstrate their ability to facilitate documentation, debugging, optimization, and code generation. This efficiency gain will allow the bank's IT department to act on key issues, such as a more responsive help desk with the automatic processing of simple problems and the qualification and orientation of complex tickets, reducing technical debt by reallocating the freed load, faster transition to a digital IT system, including facilitated deployment and application refactoring in the context of a move to cloud, and the simulation of new intrusion scenarios, disasters, and solicitations. As for support, control, and middle office functions, they can rely on Gen AI office assistants, for example, to speed up the writing of reports. But Gen AI can also identify the information relevant to a context, optimize it, compare it, increase it, and extract the necessary. It can therefore facilitate regulatory monitoring and trend detection, simplification and updating and application of the normative framework, support in due diligence, the generation of contracts, procedures, risk awareness modules, or job descriptions. From a prospective point of view, experiments show that Gen AI can complement modeling activities within banking businesses and functions by its ability to reveal intrinsic patterns to data and generate synthetic data. This is the case for predictive models on sales, pricing, and risks by sentimental analysis, or the detection and masking of sensitive or personal data. The market models and applications are evolving rapidly. The hasty and uncontrolled adoption of Gen AI can ultimately expose banks to high risks, including legal, ethical, and image risks due to potential misuse, hallucinations, and biases, undue disclosure or scrapping of data, but also the complex explainability vis-à-vis customers, regulators, and employees. There are also economic risks, in case of generalization of irrelevant models or inappropriate technological choices, with an increase in hosting costs and non-replicable investments. Operational and technological risks are also present, with the expansion of shadow IT, the non-massified use of service providers, the over-solicitation of systems, and the disorganization of IT and data sectors. We recommend acting on two horizons in parallel. In the short term, experiment quickly on low-risk but high-value and feasibility uses, onboard and upskill the organization, and attract rare talents. Then, organize by making Gen AI a strategic priority to secure the return on investment, with a portfolio of uses qualified on priority issues, to define an effective usage framework and governance, and to anticipate technological and organizational choices.